Howdy, folks. Welcome to the Lone Star State, Texas, where everything is bigger, bolder, and full of opportunity. From sprawling ranches to cutting-edge technology, this is the land of the horse and the cowboy and the land of Tesla's Cybertruck. Did you know that Texas is home to the biggest Tesla factory? But today, I'm not here to talk about Tesla's Gigafactory or the rodeos. No, I'm here for something even more exciting. So, Andrew, why are we here?
AMG Realtors, Kenya's premier real estate company, has acquired 60 acres of prime land just minutes from Dallas. We are offering Kenyans and the diaspora community the chance to own plots in this beautiful Texas farm country, close to the bustling city life.
You mean?
That's right. For the first time, Kenyans can own land in America.
Imagine building your dream home in the heart of Texas. AMG Realtors is making it possible. Don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. AMG Realtors, bringing the American dream to Kenyans. Contact us today to secure your piece of Texas.